Okay, we'll look at one more topic for loops. We've got this thing called a break statement, and with a break statement, we can stop the loop before it has looped through all the items. Let's look at the example here. If we ran it without the break statement, it just prints all the things. If now I add and it checks if X is equal to banana, then I'm going to break. It'll stop running the code at that point. Let's run it again. And now it only prints apple and banana. You can see the print statement was above. If I put the print statement below, then it wouldn't even print banana. And you can imagine if there were other things before the banana, it prints those things. Okay, so break just jumps out of the loop. Another option, is continue, and it just stops the current iteration of the loop. So it jumps right back up to the next item in that for loop. Let's look at that. So here, if we say continue, then when we get to banana, we won't execute that next line, that print statement. So we'll run the code, and you can see it skips over banana. You can imagine if I had the print statement up here, then it really doesn't do anything because there's no more of the body to skip. So it would print banana, but if I added, and I'll add an exclamation point, you can see it executes that print exclamation point after each of the items except for banana. Okay, so break, when we hit it, it exits the loop entirely, goes to the line right after it, like it would go here. That's what break would do, and continue just goes to the next iteration of the loop. It'll work the same way for while loops. So here we say the break statement, we can stop the loop even if the while condition is true. And when I copy and paste, I might have to fix the indentation. Okay, so here we start I at 1, then we say, well, it's less than 6. We're going to print I. But if we find that I is equal to 3, then we're going to break and we're going to stop. So you can guess that the last one it's going to print is going to be that 3. Similar, we could look at a continue statement in a while loop. And if that was continue, then all that happens is it jumps right back up to the top to check the condition, and it wouldn't execute that addition. This is fun because it gives us an infinite loop. Check it out. So it just is going to keep printing 3s forever. Let's hit stop. We can use their example. So check it out. We add 1 beforehand. If we get to 3, we continue, and that would mean we wouldn't print I. We can run that code, and you can see we don't print the 3. We can get an infinite loop if we say something like, oh, while true. So it'll just loop forever and ever and ever and ever and ever. And you can see that I get that gray right there. So I will stop the code. Okay, and then I get white in that Python 3 circle. If I said if X is greater than 10, then I will break. That will exit the loop and will prevent me from having an infinite loop. Oh, and look, I made a mistake. I used the variable X, but I really meant I. There we go. So here it's showing that break exits the loop and prevents me from having an infinite loop. For example, if I can never get a false there.